Florida Department of Transportation is building a noise barrier wall on I-75 in Collier County, but one Naples neighborhood says it's being left out. NBC2's Carla Byron is live in our control room, and Carla, neighbors say they're frustrated with the loud noise.
Yeah, that's right, Lisa. Neighbors say they're dealing with loud noise from the highway, from trucks to traffic. They're saying their neighborhood wasn't considered in FDOT's noise barrier wall plan.
The band starts playing and the announcer's saying touchdown.
David Michelson's quiet nights at his Naples home are interrupted by cheering fans and bands playing loud music.
It's just every bit of noise is like they're right on the other side of our lot.
But noise from the nearby high school isn't the only thing keeping him up at night.
The worst part is actually the semis.
It's the busy interstate as well.
They hit that exhaust brake and it's really, really loud.
The Florida Department of Transportation is currently building a noise barrier wall on I-75 in Collier County. FDOT says this wall costs $2 to $4 million a mile. It starts at the Golden Gate Canal and ends at Golden Gate High School, just short of Michelson's neighborhood.
We feel like we were forgotten.
Michelson says FDOT didn't talk to him or his neighbors about their concerns, but the department says the neighborhood didn't meet qualifications for a wall.
Our houses have as much noise or more than the houses that they've covered.
Some residents don't mind the loud noise from the high school, but Michelson and others say they want the wall extended.
It's really disruptive. It gets very loud.
Michelson and a few neighbors are thinking about going around the neighborhood to get signatures for a petition. Reporting live in the control room, Carla Byron, NBC2.
Thanks so much, Carla.